Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing my very first package from Korgou. If anyone doesn't know what Korgou is, it's a Korean forwarding service. So most Korean store, they either don't ship to internationally, or when they do, they ship the shipping costs like a lot of money. And if they don't ship internationally, most likely you need a local Korean bank to pay for your items. So that's what Korgou is for. It will not only provide you with a Korean address, it also will help you purchase the item. This is not sponsored or anything. This is actually my first time using them because I'm desperate to buy some stuff when Korea stopped shipping to Canada at some point because of the pandemic. So I had to use them. I heard a lot of mixed review about them, but I was just gonna give it a try. And yeah, I mean the service is okay. For them to purchase my item, it's about $5 fee for them as a processing fee for them to pay for your stuff. So basically you just make an account on the store, put everything into your cart, and then you just give them the login info, and they will buy it for you, everything that's on your cart. And even if you write a note oh, use my discount code, because most of these online store, they will offer you discount code and points, especially at the beginning, so you can use them. That's the one thing that's great about it. And yeah, the low point about it, I heard they tend to mixed up packages often. So finger crossed that's not gonna happen for this package. For this one, it kind of take them a while to consolidate all of them, but the only good thing is that all of the stuff that I order, it comes with tracking numbers, so I track them when they reach into the Korgou. And then usually it takes them about 24 hours to update, and boom, that's it. So yeah, this is my package from Korgou today. It's so big. Oh wow. So just like Bai, they consolidated all of the boxes. It's a box inside a box. Why are they doing this? This makes the shipping so expensive. Oh my god. There you go. So as you can see, this one is from Romantic Crown. I've been dying to buy some Korean streetwear, Korean design wise, but yeah, shipping is just too expensive. Just if I just want one shirt, so if I bought multiple, it makes it easier. So the first item that I bought from Romantic Crown is actually a shirt. I saw this few months ago. I saw they did a collab with Pizza Hut, and the shirt is yellow, and I just had to get it because it's my favorite color. So yeah, the box looks pretty sick, and then it says that in the back. So let's open this pizza. Oh wow, it comes with this pouch and also stickers too. I'm so excited. I just really love stickers in general, so let's open that. So it's an Instagram sticker kind of thing. I really love some of the shirts that they have at Romantic Crown, but I'm just really picky. So this is how it looks like, the packaging. I bought an extra large because they don't have a large. So yeah, it also comes with the tag. It looks so sick. And this is how the shirt looks like. I really love like the design in the back. It looks so sick, I think. It's gonna be so big, but I really love like those like baggy shirts, so I'm so excited to wear this. Especially now it's summer, so like it looks so nice like to wear shorts with that. There's also like this paper for like refund or exchange for romantic crown. Then this one, I believe this is from Weavers, because I bought a 17 merch. So that's the way they package it. So this is actually my mini Caratbong keychain. So the reason why I was using Korgou in the first place was because they shut down shipping to Canada in general with EMS from Korea. So we first had this, and then like they were like, oh, we're not shipping to Canada. So I was like, okay, you know what, time to use like Korgou, because like I didn't know like how long it will take them like to not ship to Canada. And I freaked out because like knowing like this thing they will like resell for like really expensive. So that's why like I just had to buy it, because like I love like collecting them. So like I'm a collector in general. So like I just had to get it. So it comes with like those instructions. So this is how it looks like. It looks so cute. It comes with like 2 different keyring. I'm too scared to put this on my back actually, so I'm not going to do it. So it comes with batteries too. So that's the kind of batteries that you have to put for this one. So let's see if this works. Ooh. So that's that. So if you want to compare to the actual like size, that's like the comparison for like size wise. But I don't have my batteries in on this one, so I'm not gonna turn it on. So this is the last item. I'm pretty sure this is from 1 unit. So like if you don't know, 1 unit is like one of the streetwear based in Seoul. And I saw like several members of like different groups wear them. They are affordable. They go on sale often. I saw like people from like members of 17 Nuis and Monsta X are wearing them. Like honestly, I bought these before I saw like some of the member wears them. So I was gonna shop. So I saw like Nuis Beko wearing the same shirt as one of them, and also like apparently a Scoop wore one of them too, like recently, but like it's just in different color. So I bought 2. So the first one is this blue one. Whoa, that's really nice. I normally don't really wear color, but I really love this. I really love the design in the back. So I like this one is really sick. I really love it. The design is nice and simple. And look at that, that's really nice. And this is the second one. So Nuis Bako was the one who wore the same exact one for this shirt. And Coops wore the same one too, but he got the blue one. So it's this. That's the back. And they're like about like 25 bucks each, which is not bad. And also like that's the logo one. So yeah, like that's like all of the stuff that I bought. Like I want to buy more, but I'm waiting for like my next Korgou package that's going to arrive first, which will be my 17th anniversary shirt. So like once I got that, I'm gonna buy more, hopefully more clothes from Korean like brands, because I really want to get like Acme de la Vie. I really want to get like Acme de la Vie, and also I want to get more like Bat and Bat shirts, because the quality is really nice. Like you pay for quality for this one. Like I really love it. It's so comfy to wear. Like this is perfect for like colder weather. I wore this like one of the day, like it got kind of cold like last month, so it was perfect. And it's just comfy. It's not itchy, that's why. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye, see you next time.